Tell me what's down here. No more Minecraft. Wait, can you still see?
I only have 20 vision. Creative thief. Hey YouTube, this guy went on creative. I'm sorry, but I have to die.
No, Jordan.
Get out of my way, loser.
Dude, don't die, Jordan.
I don't want to die. Are you crazy? You're crazy. You're crazy. The nickname should be Crazy Stairs. This one you think is good. Who just did that? Die! You need some diamonds. Because you want to eat. By the way, I deleted Enderman.
What?
I deleted Enderman.
You what?
Deleted Enderman.
You did? Why?
I don't know. It's just too far. Ooh, I think there's a spawner. I'm gonna break the number 1 Minecraft rule.
What is it? What is it, Jordan?
Dude, I can't survive with this armor. You know what it is.
Digging down. Dude! Please!
I'm going to come sparkles guys. He did this to find the end portal.
No, you know what I do, Jordan? I stand on one rock and dig it down, and then I jump down.
Like this? Like what Captain Sparkles did?
Yeah. So I know when Mall is coming. Oh. Oh. Wait, what's getting you? Oh. Do we have my cape?
No, there's no capes anymore.
Why?
Because it's past your birthday.
Wait, can you see if they have my cape? Why is it
I'll start testing.
Oh, duh! We're rich.
You're welcome, Evans. You didn't say thank
I told you that's a good way.
I told you to do this. You didn't say thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Captain Sparkles, for doing this. Dude, do it the way how you find the diamonds. Okay, Bedrock. Go up.
Rock cycle. Rounding.
5 diamonds!
Pickaxe and a sword?
Yep.
I'm also going.
Bye-bye, guys.